In this video, we're going to show you how to install a rubber track in the snow without the use of a floor jack or a front blade. The first step is to install a spacer between the carrier stop and the leaf spring. Here we're going to use a couple blocks of wood. The next step is to dig a clearance hole under the two end bogie wheels. Dig your clearance hole so that it comes back halfway into the center bogie wheel. The next step is to position the track up onto the sprocket. And position it into the clearance hole so that when you drive the Sno-Cat, the bogie wheels will drive into the center of the track drive lugs. Once the track is on, the last and final step is to retension the track using a torque wrench, 40 foot-pounds.